Alright, it looks like I muted the audio. What I was saying is I updated it so the bit rate is less than 4,000. So hopefully that works. Let me see, is this the live one? I can't tell what's live. Checking out to see how the live stream looks. Because for YouTube, I try to stream vertically for YouTube, but it doesn't seem like that's... Oh, because I needed to auto start. Okay. So... I think I messed that up. Let me see if that works now. Oh. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Well, I'll figure out the vertical stuff. We'll see how this stream holds up again. Good news is this is working now. So if I refresh, let me go to, oops. I'll kind of just find an old bookmark. So here's, I guess here's a funny one. This is the Chipotle support bot that looks like it didn't sanitize the user input for asking for commands that you're not supposed to support. So let's say I wanted to make some content about this guy, right? Let's analyze with AI Gateway what that's doing, and that's going through fetching this URL, and if there's any links provided, it will try to analyze it. I mean, eventually I want it to like analyze the comments and stuff like that, but for now I'm gonna avoid doing that. And it should give me, once it's done, two scripts. One script is for like a short form content. The other script is for more of a long form content. If I wanted to make videos about that, and then I can just take this and maybe I can say save to Notion or something, and you can see it gives me a score if it's worth doing. It's categorized under tech news. It's a funny meme, but the research behind it is too thin to support a strong standalone video unless you frame it as an internet joke about abusing public support bots as free AI. It has some viral short form potential, but weak credibility, limited depth for longer, higher trust creator piece. So that's interesting. I mean, it gave me some good context of whether I should even look into supporting this. And then it gave me a script for short form content. I just found one of the funniest AI tweets of the week. It says, "Stop spending money on cloud code. Chipotle support bot is free." And honestly, this is the perfect snapshot of where the internet is right now. People are so determined to find free AI tools that apparently we are now testing fast food customer support as a coding assistant. I mean, it's a decent start to a script, which primarily is what I wanted. This long form script, maybe again this wasn't the best example, but let's see here. Today, I want to talk about a post that is either an incredible life hack or one of the most internet brained jokes I've seen all week. The post says, "Stop spending money on cloud code. Chipotle support bot is free." This is a whole joke, and honestly, it tells you a lot about the current AI movement. We're living in a time where people will test absolutely anything if there's even a chance it behaves like an LLM. A customer support widget, a search box, a hidden chat bubble on a retail site, a random autocomplete field, anything. If it responds in a natural language, somebody's going to try to turn it into a productivity tool. And the reason this joke works is because it hits a very real nerve. Cloud Code, Cursor, Copilot, all these tools are useful, but people are constantly thinking about cost, rate limits, and whether they're getting enough value for what they're paying. I mean, this is a pretty good start. I think. I haven't made a ton of YouTube videos. I haven't made a ton of shorts. This is the reason I'm doing this, is to like I find some content. I'm like, this is kind of a good start. And I did purchase some time ago. I think his name is Thomas Frank, content creator. He has like some template for how to think about how to structure courses, or not courses, how to structure YouTube videos, blog posts, podcast episodes. So I did end up purchasing this before. I think now he charges like $228. I think I bought it when it was like $150, and I've used it a good amount. I do it for a lot for like my planning for quarterly, yearly, and then even day to day, like seeing it's tracked. I might do like a more in-depth video of like how I track things today, but essentially I want to like load it into this Notion template. Since I haven't used this before, I haven't created a ton of content. I feel like now I'm kind of getting into the game, and I want to see like a good way to do it. So maybe if I like this, then I could put another button in here that says port into Notion. So maybe that's where I'll finish, is doing that Notion integration. Let's see here. So it seems like the stream is still fine. It says the health is excellent, so I'm happy about that. I don't know how it sounds, so let me see if I can hear it in one of the live channels. You know what? I think the portrait, I tried doing portrait mode for the live stream as well, but I think I have to stop and start it. So I might do that one more time. Again, if you are watching the stream, I'm sorry. This is probably the 9th time I stopped it and started, but I'm testing stuff out. All right, let me do that. I'm gonna stop the stream.